शहर के नवोदय शैक्षणिक संस्थान में रायचूर जिला पुलिस विभाग के नगर, यातायात, ट्रैफिक पुलिस स्टेशन की ओर से सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल की 150वीं जयंती के उपलक्ष्य में यातायात नियमों का जागरूकता कार्यक्रम आयोजित किया गया। इसी अवसर पर नवोदय शिक्षा एवं अस्पताल संस्थान, नवोदया एजुकेशन एंड हॉस्पिटल ट्रस्ट की तरफ से ट्रैफिक पुलिस स्टेशन को 50 बैरिकेड्स सौंपे गए। कार्यक्रम में नवोदय संस्थान के प्रभारी इंचार्ज टीई श्रीनिवास ने सभी का स्वागत किया। इस दौरान जिला पुलिस अधीक्षक एसपी अरुणांशु गिरी, अतिरिक्त पुलिस अधीक्षक, अतिरिक्त एसपी जी कुमार स्वामी, डीएसपी शांतवीर, डॉक्टर प्रशांत गुरुदत्त, डॉक्टर रमेश बाबू सहित कई गणमान्य लोग मुख्य अतिथि के रूप में उपस्थित थे। प्रारंभिक भाषण देते हुए नवोदय संस्थान के प्रतिनिधियों ने कहा, हमारा संस्थान 24 घंटे जनता की सेवा के लिए प्रतिबद्ध है। स्वास्थ्य सेवाओं के साथ साथ सामाजिक सरोकार के कार्यक्रमों को भी प्राथमिकता दी जा रही है।
Challenges what we face together, the road safety as well as the road safety related accidents. The impact of this roadside accident on individual person, family as well as the nation is a very huge, and it is increasing in day by day. In the past 10 years, it has been drastically increased. If you go by the statistics, the number of people who have died because of this roadside accident was around 2 lakh. It has went up to the more than 6 lakhs per year presently. It's not only the person who are going to die on the roadside accident that matters, even the people who sustain injuries which make them disabled, which make them a non-earnable member or a dependent member is a very significant. Their number is 2 to 3 times more than the people who have died in that roadside accident. And much more worrisome the fact is that the family members who are dependent on these people who are died or sustaining irreversible injuries is much more higher than the people who have sustained it. And most important factor is that people who sustains this injury, they are all are young people and the earning members of their families. And it is a family burden, national waste of the workforces as well as the national burden. That's the reason that we need to address this event from the beginning, from all the angles. It's not only the hospital people who are going to treat and make them safer life, even the involvement of the community and the police personnel in this regard is much more appreciated. So preventive measures as well as the treating measures are both equally asked to be enforced in the community to decrease or to entangle this issue which is increasing day by day. The one of the preventive measure is already our police personnel are putting a lot of effort in regulating a traffic rules and traffic sense in the community people, and there are lot more need to be done. So one of the things what I feel is that almost 1.5 years back there was an accident in front of Kotak Mahindra Bank near the court area where the family of 4 people, the 2 people have died on the spot and the 2 people they have got a serious injuries where they lost the legs. That is the area where the 4 roads are intersecting and there was a huge problem with the traffic rule following. The simple placing of the barricade in that area has drastically reduced this nonsense as well as the crossing over of the vehicle as well as nowadays because of the just placement of the barricade in that area where the roads are being crossing over, especially the Kotak Mahindra Bank, that has led to the drastic fall in the accidents. So the barricade placement in appropriate places will also very significant role in prevention of the roadside accident as well as creating the sense of road sense among the motorists. And another thing is that most of the time whenever there is a road traffic accident, the police personnel will be reaching that area much more before than the ambulances. So these police persons, if they have some amount of the basic knowledge how to treat, how to save the accident patient, will go a long way in preventing these deaths which are occurring because of the accident or the disability that comes occur after that accident. So in this workshop, today's workshop, I have made only 4 stations or 4 skills I wanted to teach our personnel so that they not only the protectors of law, they should also be a preserver of the life in the case of the accident.
यातायात नियमों का पालन हर नागरिक की जिम्मेदारी। एसपी कार्यक्रम का उद्घाटन करते हुए जिला पुलिस अधीक्षक एसपी अरुणांशु गिरी ने कहा कि यातायात नियमों का पालन करना हर नागरिक की जिम्मेदारी है। सड़क दुर्घटनाओं को रोकने के लिए जनता के बीच निरंतर जागरूकता पैदा की जानी चाहिए। उन्होंने अपील की कि हेलमेट पहनना अनिवार्य है। डॉक्टरों और शैक्षणिक संस्थानों के कर्मचारियों को भी इन नियमों का कड़ाई से पालन करना चाहिए। नवोदय अस्पताल संस्थान द्वारा ट्रैफिक पुलिस स्टेशन को 50 बैरिकेड्स दिए जाने की सराहना करते हुए उन्होंने बधाई दी। साथ ही उन्होंने युवाओं को नशे, ड्रग्स से दूर रहने की चेतावनी दी। उन्होंने डॉक्टरों को निर्देश दिया कि वे बिना प्रिस्क्रिप्शन डॉक्टर की पर्ची के दवाएं न दें। राज्य में गांजे के बढ़ते मामलों को देखते हुए उन्होंने सभी से सतर्क रहने को कहा।
One training session regarding drugs in RIMS. So we are doing this training session in Navodaya regarding first aid after an accident. So we'll also have done some training sessions regarding helmet, wearing of helmet, which is very poor in Raichur city. So this will continue this year. I first of all want to thank Navodaya institutions for donating barricades to the police department. It will greatly help us in both traffic regulation as well as traffic enforcement and bandobast. Thank you to Navodaya institutions. Second point, see, we are first responders, both police and doctors, ambulance. We are the first responders to any emergency. I have observed that many of our police officers and policemen don't know CPR. I had done a similar workshop in Bangalore where I was DCP CAR. So around 2,500 of our men, we gathered them in Kantirava Stadium and we created one Guinness record also in 2024. So that I want to just replicate in Raichur also. So I thank Navodaya for starting it. We'll do it in our Friday parades also. Whenever any accident happens, as Dr. Sir, Dr. Ramesh Babu has rightly pointed out, blood injuries are first to be attended to, stop the blood. But if the patient is becoming unconscious, at least try to revive him through cardiopulmonary resuscitation. So this is also very important, both preventing the loss of blood as well as reviving him through CPR. Then once the ambulance comes, they can take over. So both the bystanders, public, they have to be trained, and 112 ERSS, emergency responders, that is police officers, fire, they also have to be trained in this. So I wish this training will be helpful to our department. Third point I want to tell is about helmets. Many doctors who come here have not worn helmets. I was saying. So if doctors don't wear helmets, then we don't have much hope for society. Even our policemen, one of our policemen in Manvi, he was not.
अतिरिक्त पुलिस अधीक्षक ADDLSP जी कुमार स्वामी ने कहा कि डॉक्टरों और युवाओं को यातायात नियमों के पालन में आदर्श बनना चाहिए। हेलमेट जीवन रक्षक है और इसे हर हाल में पहना जाना चाहिए। नवोदय संस्थान द्वारा दिए गए बैरिकेड्स यातायात नियंत्रण में काफी मददगार साबित होंगे। डीएसपी शांतवीर ने उपस्थित जनता और स्टाफ को यातायात नियमों की शपथ दिलाई।
ಸರ್ದಾರ್ ವಲ್ಲಭಾಯ್ ಪಟೇಲ್ ರವರ ದೂರದೃಷ್ಟಿ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾರ್ಯಗಳಿಂದ ಸಾಧ್ಯವಾದ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶದ ಏಕೀಕರಣದ ಮನೋಭಾವದಿಂದ ನಾನು ಈ ಪ್ರತಿಜ್ಞೆಯನ್ನು ಸ್ವೀಕರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದೇನೆ। ಹಾಗೆಯೇ ನನ್ನ ದೇಶದ ಆಂತರಿಕ ಭದ್ರತೆಯನ್ನು ಖಚಿತಪಡಿಸಿಕೊಳ್ಳಲು ನನ್ನದೇ ಆದ ಕೊಡುಗೆಯನ್ನು।
इस कार्यक्रम में ट्रैफिक पुलिस स्टेशन के कर्मचारी, नवोदय शिक्षा एवं अस्पताल संस्थान के डॉक्टर, स्टाफ और आम लोग उपस्थित थे।